Okay, out for another test. What I've done is change the angle of incidence of the top wing, tilted it forward a little bit. Let's see what that does. And we're at the slope. This could get ugly. I'll power out first and see if we can glide it. I think we're very tail heavy. Ouch! Alright, need more nose weight. I think we've broken a few things. That's a lot tail heavy. For some reason. Oh no, we're all okay. Whoops. Interesting. The wheels obviously make a fair bit of difference. Nothing's broken too much. Got another battery I'll put in here. And we'll try again. Well, that didn't work for some reason. We'll work it out later on.